Get the size of that one.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, it's the Maples videos, and today, look at the size of that fish. Look at that. You guys can see it, right?
Oh, he's swimming away. Here comes another one.
Yep, you guys can see it. They can see it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow. Yeah, we should go fishing here. Please.
There's not much room for both of us. Look at that guy.
Dad, please.
Please. We need to catch some bait fish over here. Bring it over here and catch him.
Yes. Yes, I would like that very much.
Come on.
That's our plan.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes. Also, I want to try to catch that lizard. I saw a lizard.
Hello, how are you?
Hey.
Excellent. Big dog.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
It's cute. Okay, so we're gonna go fishing here. Is that settled?
Do you want to?
Dad!
What?
Look, plane in the air.
It's a jet.
Jet plane, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go fishing here, guys. We'll meet you back in 3, 2,
We
1.
didn't bring any shrimp. Suck.
Dad, why aren't you giving me anything?
I'm just thinking of what we're gonna do.
Give me some music.
I see a boat over there. I don't know if that's somebody's yard. or
A
if it's-
boat?
Yeah.
Oh.
See it?
Yep.
I don't know if that's a path of water. With the water that we just saw.
Or if it's at someone's yard.
Or somebody dragged a boat in their yard. Here, I'm gonna get the rods out. You wanna run over and check? Not too far for you.
I could if you want me to.
Sprint over and tell me if there's water.
Okay, come on, guys. Can I jump this fence? Maybe it's enough speed. I'm not going to do that. Come on, come on. I don't see any. Let's go back. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video, guys. Oh my god, I'm tired. I'll meet you back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that I'm not out of breath, let's see here. Stick, I don't bring stick.
I know you do. Take that.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. We don't have to really fish for the fish. Maybe catch them in that. No?
No, we don't have.
I don't know if I trust that bathroom. I need to go pee,
Yeah.
but I don't know if I trust it.
Good.
Okay, can you hold the phone?
Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Take it away.
What? Here, I'll just set you guys up right here. Make sure it doesn't overheat.
Yeah, throw this away in the trash in there. Got it? I'm gonna go run over there and see if there's water.
I didn't see any.
I'm gonna go check. There's one in there. Ugh. Hey birds. is water back here. This is what I was wondering. Tristan, told you there was water back here. Where are you? Oh, there you are, back at the car. You little turd. Yeah, that's water. Mission failed. You failed,
I
man.
didn't go all the way over there.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, I didn't go all the way over there though. Whoa, wait, Dad. Hold this. I want to show them how good I am.
Good job.
I can do another one. Do you want to see it?
One more. All right.
I can do a whole spin. Did you see that?
No, I missed it.
What? Stop lying. Whew. I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, I'll meet you guys back in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna throw our stick away since I broke it. Nice. Goodbye, stick. Okay. I wish there was a bench next to us. There is! Yay.
Which one?
Do you need help with anything?
No, I gotta catch this. I'm gonna use to catch that fish. Anything.
Okay,
I'm looking
well,
for a snail.
I don't know what I can do then.
Nothing. Just wait until we catch it. Then I'm gonna put it on your hook.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna let you catch that big fish.
Okay. I'm gonna end this video since this is kind of just like the how we did it video. And I'll make a part 2. Okay guys, bye!
The fisherman over there.